Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Wazwan style Palak Rista. Rista is a Kashmiri Kofta but pounded meat instead of minced with a small portion of fat. This delightful variety is made in lamb meatballs cooked in spinach curry. It tastes amazing as it combines the richness and goodness of spinach and ristas. So let's get started. For making this divine dish, I have taken salt 2 teaspoons or according to your taste, Kashmiri chili powder 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, a few cloves and black cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Half a kg of boneless meat and 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black and green cardamom powder, a small chunk of fat, and spinach. I have taken 4 bunches, that's around 1 kilogram, or you can take more also. Now in a pan I have heated up oil and added ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon stick. Saute them properly. And then add spinach and salt. Cover and let it cook on low flame for around half an hour till all the water released by spinach is absorbed. For half an hour, almost the water released by spinach is getting absorbed, so I'll keep it like this. Till then I'll make meat ready. So I'll take meat in a food processor. Make sure the food processor is 750 watts or above. In Kashmir, meat's pounded for ristas on stone, but I'll show you a trick that will give us almost same texture. After grinding in a food processor for around 5 to 10 minutes, I'll remove these vein or thread like things. And then I'll squeeze this mince. The difference in pounding on stone and grinding in food processor is that food processor meat release water and tends to lose the texture. So if we squeeze water at this stage, we will get pounded meat like texture. Now after squeezing, I will add fat, salt and cardamom powder and grind it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the rista mixture is ready. Now I'll shape them into balls or ristas. For this curry, the balls are very small, like this. So I'll dunk them into warm water. And now I have added turmeric powder, green cardamom, black cardamom, fennel seed powder, ginger powder to this, and we will bring this to boil and boil it for around 10 minutes. Going back to spinach, all the water released from spinach has been absorbed. So now we will add spices to it. I'll add chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Mix. Now the ristas have been boiling for around 10 minutes. So now we will add ristas to spinach. Around 1.5 glass of stock in which ristas were boiling, and let it cook for around 20 minutes on low heat. At this stage you can check salt also. So after 20 minutes it's almost done. So you can check gravy if you want to keep more gravy. So I'm keeping it dry. Now I'll dish them out. Give them a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.